place in elite social circles, but Florence had very different ideas about her future. As a teenager, Florence began to feel what she described as a calling from God, a strong inner voice urging her to help others. By her early 20s, she became certain she wanted to become a nurse. But in Victorian England, nursing was not considered a respectable job for someone of her background. It was underpaid, poorly organized, and often associated with women of low status. Her parents were shocked and strongly opposed her decision. But Florence was determined. In 1850, at age 30, she began formal training at a nursing